Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the MUVJUG 78.7-inch media storage tower. An 8-tier CD and DVD storage shelf that promises to organize your media collection while adding a modern industrial touch to your living space. This freestanding tower stands tall at nearly 79 inches, with a width of 31.5 inches and a depth of just over 10 inches. Making it ideal for rooms where space might be limited but storage needs are high. The first thing you'll notice is its modern arched design. The top of the tower features a sleek curved design with clean geometric lines that seamlessly integrate with the metal frame. This isn't just functional, it's a piece that adds artistic charm to your room. The black finish gives it a contemporary industrial look, perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, home offices, or any entertainment area where aesthetics matter as much as utility. When it comes to capacity, this tower is impressive. It's designed to hold hundreds of CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, and even video games. Each tier comes with horizontal bars and side guardrails to prevent your media from falling, which adds an extra layer of security for your collection. But this isn't just a media rack, it's versatile. You can use it as a bookshelf, a display rack, or a general organizer for any media or decor you want to showcase. Durability is another highlight. The combination of a strong metal frame with high-quality MDF shelves ensures stability and longevity. Whether you're stacking heavy DVD box sets or large books, this tower is built to handle the load without wobbling. The 4 adjustable foot pads also mean it stands steadily even on uneven floors and protects surfaces like hardwood, tile, or carpet from scratches or damage. Assembly is straightforward, even if you're not a DIY expert. All parts come clearly labeled, and the included instruction manual guides you through the setup process. No extra tools are required, so you can have this tower ready to go in no time. Overall, the MUVJUG 78.7-inch media storage tower is a blend of style, function, and durability. Its towering presence makes it ideal for large collections, while the modern design ensures it looks great in any room. Whether you're organizing your media or adding a decorative element to your space, this shelf stands out as a practical and stylish solution. That wraps up our look at the MUVJUG media storage tower. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth product critiques, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you make smarter choices before you buy.